All right, Toosters and two bets. Look at our plan today. Old Mozzie. I like the Mozzie. I like the Mozzie. Let's check it out on the inside. Oh, you know I'm an all red fan. You know I'm an all red fan. Let's see what this thing here does here. Oh yeah. I think I want to swap one. Who want a Gran Turismo sport package in their car? I can dig it. Nice big screen. So we got a couple little small things to do to this one. Nothing too crazy. We had to order some leather. I'm not sure on the year. Got sport. Nice. Inter-slip. She sound nice. This is a 2017. Where the customer came in and he had a few issues. I dig these seats. Really do. So he just bought the car and it got a couple little nicks and stuff on the inside. So we're gonna pull this rear console up and recover these two pieces. Something little light work, little in and out. So I got all my guys over there at Impact Leather and we matched up something that's pretty close. It's very close, so let me let some breeze come through this sucker here. So we're gonna figure out how this comes. I think I pretty much gotta take the rear bottoms out. I feel a couple bolts under here. Figure out how this part come out and we'll go from there. Stay tuned.